Where's the lady that was helping before? I don't really like talking to masked people. I have a lot of injustice when I talk to people that are masked.
I'm sorry.
Yes, where's the lady that was helping me?
She's gone for her break, so it's my turn to help you out. Here's the list of stuff that we do. I know you got a few things going on. What can I help you with?
Okay. What's your position? How do I sign up for services?
We got your name here on the list. So the next step is me trying to determine if you qualify for some of the programs that we help you with. My title is I'm a senior legal secretary. I'm covering the reception desk right now during people's lunch.
Oh, because masked people typically are trained deniers.
Oh no, I'm sick.
Oh, okay. I'm just telling you about my experiences. So I have a couple things going on. I have a domestic violence crisis, and I get housing discrimination.
Okay, cool. So you need help with
I have a domestic violence situation going on, and then I have an expungement situation. All of it's intertwined.
Okay, got
And
it.
I have multiple different false arrests. So I need the expungement, domestic violence, and housing and homelessness. All of it's intertwined together.
Okay. So do you need a restraining order for the...
Yeah, I need assistance and direction because they're crooked, the court, in depriving me of any knowledge and assistance to flee the abuse.
Okay. You can fill out an application for that. You need an expungement as well.
Yeah, I need expungement. I need help with that, knowledge on domestic violence and the family law, and then assistance because I'm blacklisted from housing.
Okay.
And housing resources shelter and housing authorities will not let me get into independent housing.
Okay.
It's coercive control to keep me in abuse.
Okay.
So I'm blacklisted from my housing, and I'm discriminated against for shelters.
Okay.
I'm discriminated against from getting into domestic violence organizations and getting assistance.
Okay.
Even locations like this, all legal aids have sabotaged my assistance and denied it. Everyone that I've ever tried to get legal aid assistance through. I didn't know I was targeted. And all of them has always denied it. They create a legal crisis and then deprive me of any possibility to resolve it.
Have you worked with us before?
No.
Okay.
I'm new to this area.
All right. Are you currently housed? Are you looking for...
I'm looking for housing.
Okay, got it.
And all the placement assistance is denied. I'm new to this area.
Okay, got it.
Yes, police will not take reports. There are cars speeding up like they're going to hit me.
Okay.
And I get threatening emails in the court, and I've had numerous kidnappings by false arrests.
Okay.
So, yes. And I'm controlled because I'm deprived of assistance to flee it. And I have a couple legal evictions too in my domestic violence crisis, but it's not here. I don't know if you could, I had so much going on. Maybe you could help me, get a source to get all of it.
I don't know if we can help with evictions outside of LA.
Okay. No.
Okay, got it.
I couldn't get any help in Dallas.
Got it.
You look familiar. Yeah, I couldn't get any help in Texas.
Okay, got
So I tried to relocate. All legal aid and assistance was denied.
So all of this occurred in Texas?
Right.
Okay.
But I'm blacklisted in Texas.
Got it.
I can't get assistance.
And
But it's still my record no matter where it's at.
Yeah, no, I understand.
Yeah.
And then the violence that you're experiencing, was that also in Texas, or is that still happening here?
It's happening here.
Okay, got it. All right, let me speak to my supervisor. Let's see if we can help you with the stuff that's outside of the state, so I can get you some more information about whether or not we can help you with this stuff in Texas. Because my thought was that the record clearance...
They wouldn't help me in Texas. They set up all these bogus charges to derail my life, and all legal aids are leaving me in it. It would make common sense if it's my name, no matter where I'm at, for expungement is expungement.
Yeah.
But they can't set up catch-22s to exclude me from assistance. Because my record is my record, no matter where it's at.
Yeah, you're right.
That's expungement.
Right.
So, yeah, but there's catch-22s and schemes to deprive me of assistance.
No, I'm not. I'm just trying to get clarification to make sure I follow the right procedure.
Okay.
Let me still give you an application. For the violence. If you could take, just fill out the full first page, nothing on the back.
Okay.
And if you have any questions, you're welcome to come up to the window. If you need to leave anything blank, please let me know why.
Okay. Oh, I'll wait because I was wanting more information and you said you didn't have it. So I'll wait to talk. I wanted to talk to someone while I was here.
No, I'm sorry, Ms. Clark, that's not usually how it works. So
Oh, I've heard this years, especially that's why I didn't want to talk to you because you're mass people. Because they don't give me rights that everybody else have.
I'm just saying I'm trying to protect my colleagues and you from my system.
Okay, so if I'm requesting to get knowledge, why can I wait on knowledge if you didn't have it?
I'm sorry, I didn't understand that part of your question, but I will see if I can get somebody to come down.
I don't know why you would have to see. Remember, ma'am, they were doing this at the Women's Center that you worked at.
Huh?
They were doing the same crap at the Women's Center. They didn't want to help me like they're doing here. You guys didn't help me at the Women's Center. You didn't see all that fiasco when they wouldn't help me?
Well, to my knowledge, they were saying it was past 3 days for domestic violence. So they're government funded, so the government said they can't help after 3 days. That's like all programs.
I'm in the domestic violence crisis now. What do you mean they lied and said they didn't help with it?
No, I'm saying that they say basically if you're not actively fleeing and the incident didn't happen within
Yeah,
3
it was
days.
current. It's happening
I'm
now.
just telling you if I remember correctly, that's what they were
Yeah,
saying.
I'm trying giving you the truth. That's not what it was.
Okay.
They were aiding and abetting it, is what was happening like this place.
Oh, thank you.
I'm just trying to show you a pattern. I wish you could be a witness because they did it at the Women's Center when you worked there, and now they're doing it here.
Oh, yeah.
You didn't remember it correctly.
I used to work at the
So they have the harassers come out to other locations, like she made sure I didn't get help at the Women's Center, or she's making sure the lady that was at the Women's Center that I don't get help here. And they waste my time. There's no one here, and they just have me sitting here on answers for no reason. I don't know why it's so imperative that my time is wasted, but it is. You know what I mean? But me, and they do it at police departments everywhere. Is someone coming? Is someone coming? I can't hear you.
I'm working on that.
Oh, you're working on that? Okay, well, you were knowledgeable with the other lady that worked at the Women's Center. You were knowledgeable with the lady that worked at the Women's Center. You had knowledge for her. You were pretty educated. You knew a lot when you were speaking to her.
Your application, I told you we could help you. I'm not sure what other information you need.
Oh, you said you weren't sure with the expungement.
But I took your application for the expungement. That's why we filled out an application.
Yeah, but if I'm not going to get help like all the other legal aids, it's irrelevant for me to, put my hopes in, and then if I'm going to be denied assistance.
I'm sorry, ma'am. I didn't understand that you didn't get that. I'm taking your application for the expungement.
You said that you didn't know if you could help with it, and I wanted to get clarity.
No, okay. I'm having somebody come down to speak with you.
Oh, okay. Yeah, because you said you didn't know if I could get help.
I took your application thinking that you understood that we could. That's why.
Oh, you can help.
Yes, that's why.
Oh, okay. No, you never expressed that.
Okay.
Yes, you said you didn't know, and you had to get someone out here to figure it out.
I will get somebody to speak with you, Ms. Clark.
But you said that you can help, right now? There's no need if you can help, because you said you didn't know.
It's my understanding that we can help you with the record clearance, yes.
Yes, so you're understanding. Okay, there's catch-22 plays with words. Well, I wanted clarity, definitives.
Sure. Are your cases pending?
No, there are bogus charges, false arrest, that I just want clear for my name, and then there was one set up, I had a misdemeanor, and they accidentally gave me a felony. And
Those are not pending anymore?
no, but if it shouldn't be a felony.
Yes, then yes, we can help you with that.
Oh, okay, well then, good, definitive. Okay, thank you. Well then, are you sure they're going to call me?
We're gonna call you within 3 business days at the number that you provided.
Okay, and if I don't get a call, just come back?
You're welcome to call this number.
I don't want to call. I want to do it in person if I don't get a call, because my phone's hacked and my calls aren't returned. And people are prearranged for me to only handle my business on the phone to deprive me of assistance. So I'm trying to combat the games. So if I don't get a call, it should not be a problem for me to come back and then set up an appointment with someone, if you're not trying to exclude me from services.
So we usually do the phone consultation.
That's not a possibility if I don't hear from you, right?
Well, we're gonna call you, ma'am, within 3 business days.
You're sure? But if I don't get a call, like normal, most places, I can call you, come back here, right?
Let me get somebody to speak with you, Ms. Clark.
Why do you need someone to speak with me? Do you not want me to get assistance?
No, it's not that.
Okay, well then if you don't call me in 3 days, then I can just come and confirm. There's no
That's
big
not
deal.
the procedure, that's what I was having someone talk to you about the process, because you're not understanding that we usually do a
Yeah, but you're not understanding that I don't have rights and my phone is hacked and I don't get assistance. You're not understanding that. So what I'm trying to communicate with you is if I don't get your call in 3 days, like you say that you're going to do, I want to be able to call and come in person.
I don't have the authority to make that decision, so if you can speak to somebody else who does, then I will get them to come down and speak with you about that.
I just think that it's a waste of time and it's common sense. If I don't get a call from you, I should be able to handle it in person. I'll just come back.
We do phone consultations.
Yeah, I'll just come back if I don't hear from you. Because the legal aid won't deprive someone of legal assistance. That's crazy. As a legal aid. Why would legal aid keep someone from legal assistance? You should know better as a legal aid. I find it bizarre how I'm in all these places and they have to call me on the phone. If I'm here, why FBI, everywhere I'm at, needs to call me. And I'm there in person in their face. That's pretty peculiar. I've been living a long time until I got targeted. People didn't demand phone calls on the phone. That never happened. And you're there in their face and can't get help. No, we have to call you for it to never happen. We have to. I thought you worked on the inside. I guess you work everywhere I'm at, huh?
I guess so.
Yeah. I hope you're not the reason why they won't help me. Security.